Hello everybody, my name is Mate. I will be your guide today on this tutorial video on how to record your presentation for an online conference. As you can see, I have prepared my PPT and I'll start the slideshow like always. First of all, we would like to ask you to record your presentation in a full HD mode in an MP4 format if it's possible. And please send it the final file to the conference's email address using vTransfer. During the quarantine time, we have collected a few tips and tricks which we would like to share with you in order to be able to make a good quality presentation for this virtual conference. So first of all, we will kindly suggest you to make a test recording because it can point out the weak spots of your recording and your presentation. If you watch it fully from the beginning till the end, you will see a few weak spots probably. Okay, let's talk about the lighting. If the light is coming from your background, it can blur your camera and your face will look dark. If you can arrange, please sit in front of a window, make the light coming from front of you, and place your web camera in front of your face and look into the camera from time to time because it makes more personal and very professional. After your presentation, there will be a live Q&A session. So if you wear the same shirt while recording the presentation in the conference, it provides a professional atmosphere. So how to record it? It is totally up to you what application or program you use for this this thing. We are using Zoom. For us, it has been a sufficient tool for this purpose. So prepare your presentation just as usual using a PowerPoint or any other presentation software. This point I can mention Prezi, which is a Hungarian software, of course, now based in California. If you haven't tried it, please give it a go. It has very good and nice features. Keep in mind that there will be a small place on your presentation, your camera's, your own face's picture. And my suggestion is to put it in one corner and just leave it there. And keep in mind during you making the presentation, keep in mind that there will be a spot where data shouldn't be displayed because your camera picture will cover it. So yeah, talking about Zoom. If you're using Zoom, the default recording mode will be in a full HD mode. We kindly suggest you to use a headset, which unfortunately I don't have right now, but there is an important thing to never touch your headset's microphone because it breaks the sound and it can be very painful to the audience. So making the recording, please find a calm place, close the windows, doors, shut out your colleagues, dogs, family if you're working from home in these times, because it is much more easier to make it in a calm environment. So in Zoom, choose new meeting option and start the conference call. You can test your speaker and microphone if it's needed. And don't forget to turn on your camera, then click on Start Video. Start a new meeting and open your presentation in slideshow mode. share your screen with the others, choose your previously open PowerPoint window to share and start the slideshow, so the others can enjoy your presentation in a full screen mode. So how to record your presentation? You should move your mouse to the bottom side of your screen. There will be a menu, a popping up menu, and then you should move your mouse to the right side where it says more. Wait a bit, and the pop-up menu will pop up, and record option is the second from the top. Once you're in your presentation, you can use the keyboard's arrows or the space button to change between the slides. Please don't forget to finish your presentation in the limited 15 minutes because we have a tight schedule we would like to keep. When you're finished, you have to go to the more option again. You remember to move your mouse to the bottom side of the screen. Wait for go to the more option. Wait for the menu to pop up, and on the bottom you can see end. You can hit it, and then your presentation will be finished. By clicking on End Meeting for All, the software should save the recording automatically on your computer, which may take a few minutes based on depending on your laptop's computer's computing skills. So yeah, a few minutes probably. Once it's done, you can find the file by default in your PC folder and then Documents and then Zoom folder. Yeah, before the deadline, please send your recording to the conference's email using vTransfer. Thank you for your attention.